Good morning and welcome back to the Mining Stock Daily Morning Briefing, presented by the Clear Commodity Network and delivering today's top news in mining and mineral exploration. From the new ClearCom studios, here's your host, Trevor Hall.
Good morning and welcome back to Mining Stock Daily Morning Briefing. This is Michael McRae filling in for Trevor Hall this week. It's Wednesday, April 22nd. Iran says it has two ships in custody in the Strait of Hormuz. Yesterday, President Donald Trump said he was extending the ceasefire to give peace talks more time. Markets are green. Gold futures are up, opening 1% higher to 4,771. Oil futures are up again, now at the $90 level. The S&P and Nasdaq futures are both up as well at 0.62% and 0.8% respectively. We'll get to the news from the miners and explorers in just a moment, but first a word about today's sponsor. This episode of Mining Stock Daily is brought to you by Equinox Gold. Equinox is a growth-focused gold producer operating mines across the Americas. With cornerstone assets like the Greenstone Mine in Ontario and Valentine Gold Project in Newfoundland and Labrador, Equinox is advancing a new generation of large-scale, long-life gold operations. Learn more about their portfolio and development pipeline at equinoxgold.com. And here is what you need to know this morning. Eloro Resources has released an updated mineral resource estimate for Iska Iska silver-tin polymetallic project in Bolivia, establishing an indicated resource of 85.17 million tons grading at 40 grams per ton silver, alongside a substantial inferred resource of 945.43 million tons containing 248.6 million ounces of silver and significant zinc, lead, tin, and gold. Silver grades rose 65% compared to the 2023 initial MRE, driven by a 27-hole, 14,085-meter definition drilling program that converted previously inferred material to the higher confidence indicated category. The deposit, constrained within an optimized open pit roughly 1.4 kilometers in diameter and 750 meters deep, with a favorable 1-to-1 strip ratio, also saw tin recovery improve from 50.7% to 58.9% through additional metallurgical testings. Eloro plans to begin a 40,000-meter 2026 drilling program to advance the project towards a maiden preliminary economic assessment. F3 Uranium announced results from its winter 2026 drilling program. It's a Tetra Zone on the Patterson Lake North Project in Saskatchewan's Athabasca Basin, where uranium mineralization was found in 3 of 6 step-out holes. The most notable result came from hole PLN 26-226, which returned elevated radioactivity 275 meters along the strike with a previously high-grade intersection, confirming that the zone remains open in multiple directions. A new geological study integrating structural analysis and uranium age dating reveals that the Tetra Zone shares the same multi-phase hydrothermal systems as a high-grade JR zone 13 kilometers to the north, strengthening the district-scale discovery potential. Newfoundland Gold announced final results from its 2025 drilling at its dropkick zone on the Queensway Gold Project in Newfoundland. Standout intersections included 24.8 grams per ton gold over 14 meters and 13.4 grams per ton gold over 8.1 meters in the high-grade domain west of the Appleton Fault Zone. Drilling has now expanded the zone to over 1.4 kilometers to the strike extent and to a vertical depth of 300 meters, with the zone remaining open in both directions. Notably, drilling east of the fault returned 6.75 grams per ton gold over 18.35 meters. Revival Gold announced a 30 million Canadian best efforts private placements of up to 35.29 million common shares at 85 cents per share, with Paradigm Capital acting as lead agent. Net proceeds will fund ongoing exploration and development at the company's Mercure Gold Project in Utah and Bear Track Arnett Gold Project in Idaho. The The Mining Stock Daily Morning Briefing is produced by Clear Commodity Network. It is distributed throughout the world through your podcast network of choice and at Clear Commodity Network. That's it today for everyone. Have a great day. Stay safe.
The information presented should not be considered investment advice. Mining Stock Daily and its affiliates are not responsible for any loss arising from any investment decision in connection with the material presented herein. Please do your own research or speak with a licensed financial representative before making any investment decisions.